So, being a highly qualified and competent professional dancer, I actually got to invent a time step. This is called the Delta time step, I've called it, and it's one of those time steps where there's only one version, such as advanced time step only has one version. So this is a really nice one to try and use. Don't forget it's Delta time step, and my name's Dawn Morgan. So this is where the time step comes from. So please promote my channel and my name, Dawn Morgan, when you're showing students or teaching yourself Delta time step. So we start with a side shuffle and a hop. Then we do a shuffle spring toe. Shuffle spring toe. So let's try that from the beginning. Side shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, toe. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, toe. Again, I'll do it slowly. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, toe. And then we do a ripple and a tap, step, ball change. If you've not got onto ripples yet, I should do those in another video and link it below. The Delta time step, side shuffle hop, shuffle spring toe, ripple, tap step ball change. Let's try it with the left foot. Side shuffle hop, shuffle spring toe, ripple, tap step ball change. Shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, toe, ripple, tap, step, ball, change. Side shuffle, hop, shuffle, spring, toe, ripple, step, ball, change. And that's how you do a Delta time step.